Come on, Sava YouTube. Danny here with Cajun Hydroponics and the queen,
Hey,
my queen.
our chicken's on the loose.
Our greenhouse chicken. She thinks she's a chicken.
Or duck.
Or duck. If you've seen the short, it's pretty cool. But today we had some pepper plants that died. So we went ahead and went pick up some more because, like always, I never start enough plants. Well, I started enough seeds, but I didn't get enough plants. So I'm going to show y'all how I, after they come out of the dirt, how I get them out of the dirt to prepare them to plant. Then I'll go show you sticking them in the perlite. These plants, they're not looking too good. I'm not real worried about it. I try to, if I have to purchase plants, I try to purchase them locally. These plants I'm putting in today come from a local man. He's older. He was my agriculture shop teacher back in 1990. So he's up, I think he's in it.
I was 3 years old?
Shush. Yeah, she was 3. So, you know, he's up in his 80s and they're not the best. But I tell you what, for $1 a plant, I can't complain. For the 30-minute visit I got to do with him, priceless. So, you know, try to keep it local. We did it and had a great, a great visit with it. So the queen's gonna be the cameraman.
Oh, this should be interesting.
Yeah, you're probably not gonna see anything you need to see because she'll be out chasing butterflies that's not around. She'd just be like, dee, dee, dee. I like tater tots. But here we go. They have peat pots on them. I have, let's see, 7, 10, 14, I don't know, 12, 14 plants. I needed 7 and I picked up probably 14. But yeah, she's gonna go ahead and video. Y'all watch.
Okay.
So they're in the peat pots. All I do is peel the side off, comme ça, like that, unwrap it, and I throw it on the ground because it's a peat pot. Oh, look at that. Not bad. These are big different. I say big different. These are different varieties of peppers. The guy I got them from puts them in his places in his greenhouse, and he has 1 sticker, so they're mixed up. I'm not sure what I'm planting where. This one's not a real good demonstration of it.
Look at that shirt, boy.
Don't. So I used to dunk them in water and take it, and it ended up messing everything up, making a big old mess. So now I just take them and run them with the hose. Super easy, super simple. Let's see. Pile of dirt, a little bit of pressure, put my finger on the end. If it takes a little bit more, bam. Gets all the dirt off. Get the dirt off the leaves. There ain't gonna be no rain to do that later. Oh, wrong way, Danny. We'll do 2 more and then we'll go plant. The root systems aren't real big on these, but they're big enough. The bad thing is they're on the south side of the greenhouse, so they're gonna be getting a lot of the wind. Oh, here's a good one, some good roots. But you can see with a little bit of pressure, you don't want to put full pressure on it because you're gonna bust them up. But I have not had issues with getting root issues by using this method. Dipping it in the bucket like I used to do, man, I'd get dirt all over the plant, waste a lot of water. Right here with this, get it done. Super easy. So, couple off. Get a little bit of that extra water off, and now we'll go in the greenhouse. Pause it.
Okay.
Now we in the greenhouse, and I'm about to cripple a dog. I can't stand it when he's barking. But super easy. You take this, take my finger, make a hole, and I stick the pepper plant in up to the set of leaves. Super easy, super simple. Look at the dead pepper. Do it again. Again, I'm not sure what we're planting in here. Some Marconis, a couple Tabasco. Marconis. I keep wanting to call them macaronis. But he had some Marconis, so I'm planting some Marconis. Some Tabasco. I don't think I got any more bell peppers. It's a lot easier if you run the pump before. The perlite will kind of stay packed. It'll let you make a hole and not fall back in. If you're trying to use fresh perlite, Lord, you can have a mess. I'm gonna take this leaf off. Get it in the deep. And that's it. That's it. It's super simple, super easy. Don't make a big deal about it. When the plants are young like that, they're pretty tough. They can take that little bit of pressure from the hose, wash off the stuff, and stick them in the perlite and get it done. Super easy.
Look, she went through the fence. Our chicken.
So that's that. Knocking the dirt off the plants, sticking them in the bucket. It's way easier than you think. Like most things with hydroponics, don't overthink it. Not bad. So, South Louisiana, boy, you gotta love it. Y'all grow that. Later.
Bye.